Fuel line diagram for Craftsman leaf blower model ###.
How old is your Craftsman leaf blower? When did you last clean or replace the filter?
Simply want to connect fuel lines on the carb and primer bulb. Old lines were completely removed.
How long has this been going on with your Craftsman leaf blower? What have you tried so far?
I have a Craftsman leaf blower /vac that I inherited from my dad, model number 316.794970. All fuel lines were missing from carb and primer bulb. Wondering how to route them.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Would like a diagram on placement of fuel lines on carb and primer bulb.
Hi, my name is will be assisting you. I will work on finding or sending a diagram of the fuel line routing to you. However, most of the diagrams that are supplied by the manufacturer do not show a clear picture of the fuel line hookup.
Yeah, that's what my extension internet search revealed. Your assistance will be greatly appreciated. Thanks. I'm not paying $24 for a simple request. Please send me the diagram.
I do not have a diagram showing you the routing of the fuel lines, however I am going to provide instructions on how to route them. The line that has the filter on it inside the fuel tank will be routed down to the bottom fitting on the carburetor. See attached picture for fitting first picture. The other line from the fuel tank will go to the longer of the two fittings on the primer bulb. The shorter fitting on the primer will have a line going from it over to the fitting on the top of the carburetor. See attached picture for fitting second picture. I hope that this information is helpful to you. Thank you for choosing to use our services. Please take a moment to rate your experience using the star rating system that is provided for you. Second picture, the fitting is actually just behind what you see circled on the other side of the carburetor.
That was the correct hookup, and thank you for your prompt response. Unfortunately, I think I'll have to replace the carb as well. It bogs down and stalls at full throttle.
If you can adjust the high side screw about 1/8 of a turn out or counterclockwise, it will most likely solve the stalling and bog down at full throttle. I know a lot of these newer carburetors have special heads on the adjusting screws, and not just anyone can turn them. But it would be worth a try before you go and replace the carburetor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.